me you're a millionaire without telling me you're a millionaire.
I know you're jealous because you'll never see this much money in your life,